Yeah, so I was checking some sales and I wanted to talk about something that I posted on my Facebook a little bit ago. Let me share real quick. This is about coloring books and how to earn online with coloring books. And one of the ones that I'm interested in here is tiny houses and van life books. I'm not going to worry about van life right now. I want to work on tiny house. Okay. And if you go to Amazon and put tiny houses coloring book, you'll notice that there is, around, what was that? Around 346 results, which is pretty good. And if I scroll down here, you can see that a lot of them are earning, not a ton, but definitely earning. Okay. You can see that there's a ton of this, and you don't want to run away from competition. Okay. You want to go where things are selling. You don't want to be the only one. So what do we do here? Well, I simply went to Nurie Creator. And, I wanted to create a bunch of books at once, or a bunch of coloring pages at once, rather. And I selected single niche multiplier, which just lets me put in one niche, and I put in tiny magical home in a coloring book style. And I gave it the max number at 10 at a time, and it produced some really cool results. Okay. So as you can see, this was all the same. Okay. I just select the ones I want, like that, and they will appear on the side here, on the sidebar. Right here is the first one, and I'm gonna go with this one. Actually, I'm gonna go with this one here. I'm gonna click add, and then I'm gonna click on this one here, and I'm gonna go with this one and this one here. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one here. I like this one. We'll keep this one as well. Let's go up and let's go to the next set of results. Images right here, like that. And then I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to go with, let me see, go with this one as well, and this one. Get a nice healthy book here going. I like this one and this one. They're all good, basically. And this one, we have a new AI engine working in the background now. And this one. Okay. And after that, I'm going to go to my Speedy Book Export. Speedy Book Export basically formats automatically for you. And, it gets you all the pages there. Gets the blank pages there. It sets you up for the type of book interior you want. Okay. You do want a blank page between all the coloring pages. Really important. You want to enable title, copyright page, and test color page. Again, really important stuff. And let's name this book title. I'm gonna name it Tiny Magical Houses. Okay. I misspelled that. Houses. Author Benny, I don't know, Benny Young, like that. And of course I can change the font type. I'm gonna go with let's go with Mount Christmas, like that. And of course I can add really cool text here. So I'm gonna go and give some examples of some text under the image here. Like, you want some text under here. This increases the value of your books. Okay, really important stuff. And not only that, it provides your customers, a really cool user experience. Uh, let's put, I don't know, Benny lives here. Let's put Cindy. I'm just showing you, for example, Cindy lives here. And the cool thing about NC or Nudie Creator is you could churn out these books at incredible speed, like I'm showing you right now. Bob lives here, and let me put apply bulk text, and I can show you right now. You see, it puts the actual words down here under the coloring book, and for these as well, I can actually increase if I wanted to, I can increase the size and all that good stuff. Whereas if I want to, I could also switch from blank page to journal page by, just by hitting this radio button here. I'm going to keep it at black though. Font size, I can increase it to 38, make that nice and big. Boom, beautiful. Like that, right? And once I'm done, I click generate PDF, and it's going to create a PDF that I can download just like that. Okay, now you want your book to be at least 24 pages. That's the minimum. You got this Christmas mountain feel here with these texts. You don't number your coloring books, okay? Some people do. I don't, okay? I don't. Now, what we can do now is actually create our what do you call that? Our book cover. So I want to exit out of export. Okay, really important. Exit out of export. And then what you want to do is scroll down here and go to the book cover generator. It should be off the top. PDF merger, book cover gen, like that. Go there, put in your trim size, put in your page count, put in your cover title. Okay. And what you want, I'm going to put in cute. Actually, I believe put in magical tiny house. Magical tiny house. Let's say, for example, our book cover title is magical. What is it? Sorry, it's tiny magical house or houses. Okay. And let's click generate front cover. And let's see what the AI produces. If it's something we don't like, we just do it again. It doesn't take too much time. And real quick, we can have a book that we can have up and ready selling for us on the world's biggest pirate search engine, which is Amazon KDP. That's more like it. It didn't add the text, but I really like this design and I want to keep it. So I'm going to keep it as is, and I'm going to add the text myself. So I'm going to put in the same type of font, Mountains of Christmas, excuse me. I'm going to add text. I'm going to increase the size of this text. Let me go to 60, like that. And I want to thicken. Oh, that's too thick. Let's make it 1. And let's bring this towards the top. Actually, this is hard to see, this type of font with a colorful background. So I'm going to keep it at Poppins. That's nice. And I'm going to write tiny magical houses. And that is kind of big, so I'm going to bring it down like that. And I'm going to bring it towards the top. And I'm going to thicken the line a little bit. And I want to do is I'm going to add some more. And of course, I got to add coloring book. Now I can change the color I want and do all kinds of really cool stuff. But right now I want to keep it simple. And this is an attractive front cover, right? It's exactly what our end user wants. Actually, let me make this bigger. I'm going to increase the size yet again. Like that. Bring it down. Tiny magical homes. And here we can add images of our interior, which I always recommend, just by adding click upload image. There are no images right now. I'm going to add this one right here, just to show you how it's done. What you want to do is make sure you add about 2 or 3 images like that. One here. Let me add another one. Upload text. Sorry, upload image. Add another one. Just for example's sake. match it up with the one you already have. I have 2. And I want some more text in the back. So add text, color, and have fun. And of course, that's way too big. So what I'm going to do is we're going to shrink this font up. Let's go to 30. That's a little bit too small. Let's go to 50. That's perfect. Okay. So we got our cover. You can download as a 300 DPI or as a PDF. I'm going to download as a PDF. And now, check this out. We have not only our interior, which I want to show you in a bit, but we have our book cover. So let me show you the interior first. Okay. And we got the test color page, boom. And you have these little tiny homes that our end user can color and have fun with. And of course, we have our book cover as well. Let me blow that up for you, show you what it looks like inside. There we go. Book cover is done, interior is done, everything is done, ready to put on Amazon KDP. Have a great day. If you like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you want access to all of this, just go to Royalty Prints. Down below, you have this link. And I'll send you a free piece of software that enables you to create these types of coloring books. Have a great day. Bye-bye.